Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video and in a group of next 2-3 videos, we'll be discussing about the significance and the important provisions of the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, which provided for the creation of Panchayati Raj institutions in India. As we have already discussed through the different committees that have established before 1992, which recommended gradual devolution of powers to the local self-government so that they form a part of grassroots democracy. And the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act was formed in the year 1992 under the Prime Ministership of Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, where it provided constitutional status to the panchayats to enable them to function as the units of local self-government. The 73rd CAA added Part 9 to the Constitution, and it created various provisions for enabling the system of panchayats through Article 243 to Article 243O. This O is capital because through the constitutional, if an amendment is made to the Constitution, the articles will be designated by the capital letters, and if it is already present in the Constitution, the articles are designated by the small letters. It also added 11th schedule to the Constitution, having about 29 functional items which are powers to the panchayats, and it also categorized the provisions into compulsory and voluntary depending upon the state where they want to devolve how many powers to the local self-government, giving them the political leverage and also taking into account the financial constraints as well. Now let us look into some of the important provisions of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. The first and the foremost thing is the Gram Sabha. It is a body consisting of persons registered in the electoral rolls of the village, compressed within the area of the panchayat at the village level. Suppose let us consider this is a village in a panchayat, and all the people who are eligible to vote, that is who are above 18 years of age and who have a valid election card, are considered a part of the Gram Sabha. This forms an important part which we look into in the further coming discussion. The Constitutional Amendment Act provides for the three-tier system of government, that is panchayats at the village, intermediate and the district level. Now let us consider how this is done in a particular state. The different three-tier system are at the grassroots level we have a panchayat at the village level, and above the village level we have the panchayat samiti or the mandal parishad, and above the mandal parishad we have the zilla parishad or the district panchayat. This is called the three-tier system of government. And the election of the members and chairpersons at the panchayat at the intermediate level shall be elected indirectly. Through the Constitutional Amendment Act, it provides a direct election to all the three tiers of government, which we look into within a few minutes. That is, at the village level, it consists of chairperson and members. These are all elected. The members are elected by the direct democracy. That is, people directly elect the members through the voting system, which is decided by the state legislature. And the chairman may be directly or indirectly elected. Direct election implies he is elected directly by the people of that constituency, whereas indirect election implies he is elected from amongst the members. This happens at the village level. And next at the panchayat samiti level, that is at the mandal parishad level, it comprises of chairman and members. All the members are directly elected by the members of the constituency, whereas the chairperson is definitely elected indirectly as per the provisions given in the Constitution. And the next is the Zilla Parishad level. It also comprises of a chairperson and members. Here also the members are elected directly from the constituent level, whereas the chairperson is elected definitely in an indirect manner as per the provisions. The important point to be noted here is that the members at the panchayat level should have a provision for the chairperson at the village level. Similarly, the members at the panchayat level should have a chairperson of the panchayat samiti or the mandal parishad level as well. The next thing in this constitutional provisions are the duration of the panchayat. The Constitution itself provides for a 5-year term of the office of the three levels, That is at the village level, at the Mandal Parishad and at the Zilla Parishad level as well. The state government is also empowered to dissolve the panchayat at any of the level if it feels so that the ruling or the governance of that panchayat is not carried out according to the principles laid down by the state legislature. Suppose if a panchayat is dissolved after the completion of 3 years, then the newly formed panchayat system should be elected within a period of 6 months, and the term of the panchayat will be for the rest of the period and not a 5-year from the date they assume the office again. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. It provides statutory status to the Panchayati Raj institutions. State governments cannot dissolve the panchayats before the term of 5 years. The correct answer is D, none. As we have recently discussed, it provides constitutional status by creating a new part, that is part 9 in the Constitution. Therefore, the statement 1 is wrong. The statement 2 is also wrong because the state government can dissolve the panchayat before the term of 5 years if they feel that the governance of the panchayat is not carried out according to the principles of the Constitution or the principles of the state legislature that provides a act for the governance of that panchayat system. Therefore, the correct answer is D, none. Thank you.